Welcome back to the channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. Just out taking the dog for a quick walk. As you can see, winter is fully arrived. It is -1 degree Celsius. I think that's like 32 Fahrenheit, something like that. Not super cold yet. It's okay as long as you're bundled up, block heater, gloves, proper jacket. We're gonna take this pooch for a quick walk, and then when we get home, we're gonna do the draw for the Mile 5 t-shirt. Yes, I reached 1,500 subscribers this week on Instagram, so we are gonna pick one lucky winner today to get their shirt. We're gonna drive out to Mile 5's place to get it picked up tomorrow. It's about an hour's drive from my place here in the city. So we're going to attempt to drive it in this weather, and I'm gonna bring you guys along and see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. Just got home from walking the dog. You guys could obviously see how snowy and miserable it is outside. The roads are treacherous. I do have to say, the winter tires on the E92, good decision. They are incredible. They're a lot better than the all seasons that were on there. So we're all good to go for the winter season. The drive home was a little slick, but you just got to drive accordingly. Now we're going to do the giveaway for the 1,500 subscribers on Instagram. I want to give a huge shout out to Mile 5 Clothing. They sponsored the giveaway for this. We're going to send one of you lucky winners a t-shirt. So I'm gonna switch you guys over to my computer screen, and we're gonna use the random Instagram picker that I found online. We're just gonna input the information and I'll show you guys the screen. Now you guys have seen our winner, so congratulations to Kylie on Instagram, _ YUNXG _ Gucci _ congratulations on winning the t-shirt. Remember, we're also giving away a free XKGLOW undercar kit when I hit 2,500 subscribers. It has been growing, so thank you to all of you. And like that, guys, we get out of here. Donuts done. Now we skedaddle. We get out of here. we don't need no trouble for doing donuts. There you have it, donuts in the E92. You gotta go and have fun, gotta live, enjoy your life. And yeah, it was a blast. Obviously I don't recommend doing it on public streets. I know the neighborhood, it's close to my house, there's never any traffic over there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, and peace.